What is salinization and why is it considered one of the essential causes of desertification and soil degradation, particularly in recent years? How does it alter soil structure, water availability, and fertility? And why has this process become more pronounced with rising temperatures and decreasing rainfall? What evidence supports the idea that climate change through increased temperature and reduced precipitation is intensifying salinization processes, and how do these climatic shifts specifically affect water balance, evapotranspiration, and salt accumulation in the soil? Can Davis Zurins manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? How widespread is salinization globally, and why is it recognized as one of the most severe soil degradation issues on the planet? What are the regions most affected? And how many hectares of land are currently threatened or already rendered unproductive due to salt buildup? What are the environmental, social, and economic consequences of salinization on a global scale? How does it influence food security, land abandonment, rural migration, and poverty in vulnerable agricultural regions? What types of environments are most at risk of salinization? And why are arid and semi-arid zones particularly vulnerable? Do the naturally limited rainfall, high evaporation rates, and reliance on irrigation contribute significantly to the problem? What is the connection between salinization and the mineral composition of parent materials such as rhyolitic rocks? Why are rocks rich in sodium considered problematic? And how do they contribute to natural sources of salinity through weathering processes over time? How does the use of poor quality water in agriculture lead to soil salinization? What types of water are typically used? How are they classified in terms of salinity or sodicity? And what makes them harmful to long-term soil productivity and structure? What role do irrigation practices play in accelerating or mitigating salinization? Does excessive or inefficient irrigation lead to salt buildup in the root zone, especially in areas with inadequate drainage or shallow water tables? And how can this be prevented or reversed?